Are learning disturbing new information tonight about the man accused of gunning down an ATM technician in Roselawn.
This isn't the first time Yonah Israel has been involved in violence that ended with someone's death. 9 on your side's Tom McKee has been digging into records all day, and he's live with what he's found. Tom?
What I'm holding in my hand is a very long list of Yonah Israel's run-ins with the law through the years. Many of these are for traffic offenses. A lot of them are minor. Many have been dismissed as well, but it's what's not on this list that points to violence nearly 2 decades old.
Israel.
It took one word Thursday to summon Yonah Israel before a Hamilton County judge. The charge was murder. He said nothing. Bond was set at $500,000 cash. Israel is accused in Tuesday's murder of an ATM technician on Seymour Avenue in Roselawn. Daniel Mascarella was gunned down, police say, during an argument there. It took police just 24 hours to track Israel down.
We believe Mr. Israel is solely responsible for the murder of Mr. Mascarella.
Israel is well known to police, and his criminal history shows traffic and weapons charges, plus some violence.
He was actually charged with a complicity to murder in '05. However, that was ignored.
And it didn't take long for 9 on your side to discover that his name was linked to another violent case. It was 1996 when a 13-year-old named Viola Williams was murdered in Walnut Hills. Kenneth D. Stone was indicted and tried for the crime and later acquitted. But there was one name on the witness list that stood out: Yonah Israel. Prosecutors allege he was in the car with Stone when Williams was killed. However, he was never charged with the crime in the case.
I wanted to find out more about Israel's involvement in that Stone case, so I came here to the Clerk of Court's records section to find out.
I reviewed the case file for any mention of Israel's name. There it was on a subpoena to testify for the prosecution. Other evidence included a taped statement, a map of the murder scene, and a photo lineup. But most incriminating was this transcript of the then 17-year-old's testimony. Asked whether he knew anything about Viola Williams' murder, and he pled the Fifth Amendment twice.
But the Mascarella case is very, very different. Israel is accused of being the trigger man, and if convicted, faces a very long prison term. Tom McKee, 9 on your side, live downtown.